Okay, well done. So we're ahead of ourselves, which is why I thought I would teach this today, because it keeps coming up as a problem. We have lots and lots of different little words like I or me or my or mine, and we need to learn how to use them correctly. Here are my ideas on how to do this. I've just got a couple of ideas to run past you. When we use these subject pronouns, which we use a lot, we always use them before a verb. I have got, I like, you see, he likes, whatever. We need to use these, and then the next word is a verb. Now, down here, these are called subject pronouns. We learn these a lot. These are the other ones we learn a lot. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their, we use before a noun. So, my books. We can also use them before an adjective. My pretty books, for example. Your nice books, for example. So these are the ones sometimes they are at the beginning of a sentence, and sometimes they're in the middle of a sentence, but they always come before, subject pronouns always come before a verb, and possessive determiners, which we know very well, come before a noun, or an adjective and a noun. When we get onto these ones though, here are the subject pronouns, and I've tried to link them. I have got a pen, you give the pen to me. You have got an illness, I give the illness to you. He has got a car, I give the car to him. Notice these ones come at the end of the sentence. Or almost at the end, they might come before something else, maybe a noun will be there, but definitely nothing else, usually at the end of the sentence. Here we have these are my books, or I could say these books are mine. These are your books, these books are yours. These are the possessives that come at the end of a sentence. These possessives come before the noun, or the adjective and the noun. Interesting thing here, apart from my and mine, when you want to translate this to the end of the sentence, you need to add an S. If the S is already there, you just leave it. If it's not there, you add the S. If it's there, leave it. If it's not there, add the S. If it's not there, add the S. So remember, subject pronouns before the verb, object pronouns at the end of the sentence, possessive determiners before the noun or the adjective and the noun, possessive pronouns at the end of the sentence. Now, before we finish, homework. Oh, I noticed a couple of things. Sorry, a couple of quick things. These ones here, if you change it into a question, you need to swap the subject and the pronoun around. I've got a pen. Have you got a pen? That's the only one you swap around. And over here, it can be replaced by this or that. So you could say, this has got a headache, or that has got a headache, or I give the headache to this. It's a bad example, but basically I'm trying to tell you that you can replace it with this or that as well. One more thing, essential grammar in use.